Okay, now this is the lecture number 11 and chapter is the same, chapter number second, and we will discuss this financial interest. Okay, this is the 2.5 section 5110. So what does that actually means? Simply put, a financial interest is when you or someone close to you has money tied up in the company you are auditing. That could be direct, like owning shares yourself, or indirect, like through a pension fund. Clear? Now, why is this problem? Why is this a problem? Think about it. If you own share and the client, you will naturally want the company to do well. And that is self-interest threat because your personal gain is linked to the audit client's success. Okay? So holder of the relevant interest and assuring client or at risk and the self-interest threat should be assessed. Now, you might be wondering, does this apply to everyone in the firm? The answer is yes. Partners, employees, and even family member. So the threat depends on whether the relevant interest is held by partner, employee, immediate or close family member. Clear? Now audit team members and partner. So here is the strict rule. Okay. And what are those rules? The first one is audit team members, partner in the office of engagement partner, and their immediate family, like spouse, partner, or dependent. None of them can hold any financial interest in audit client. None of them can hold any financial interest in audit client. And why? Because there are no safeguards stronger enough to fix this. If such an interest exists, only three options. You will have only three options. If there are no safeguards, and that will reduce the threat to acceptability level. So the individual. Now, what you have to do? The first one is dispose of the interest immediately. The second, the firm disengage from the audit. This is one. This is two. Number third, the person resign from the firm. And if you get the interest unintentionally, say through inheritance or gift, you must dispose of it right away. Clear? It has been clearly written here. It has, if you see here, if the individual received interest unintentionally, inheritance or gift, it must be disposed of immediately. So the key point, if you see, many firms go even further and ban all employees from holding interest in any audit client. If your family does hold an interest, you simply wouldn't be assigned to that audit. And this is written here. Now let's talk about the close family member. Because students often get confused, immediate family is spouse or dependents, but close family means parents, children, or sibling. So close family is parent, child, or sibling, brother or sister, who is not an immediate family member. So suppose, let's say, your brother owns share in the audit client. Does that affect independence? The answer is yes, it might. But here is the seriousness which you have to judge, and that depends on two things. The first one is how close your relationship is with that family member. And the second one, the materiality of the interest. Is it small or significant? If the threat is serious, then the solution or disposal of interest, or removing the individual from the audit team. This means that remove the auditor from the engagement. Another safeguard could be independent review. Of the audit for just to make sure judgment wasn't influenced. So you have to understand that financial interests mean direct like shares or indirect like pension fund. The threat we have discussed is self-interest. An audit team, partner, immediate family must have no interest. No interest allowed for the audit team members, partners, and immediate family. The action which you have to take is to dispose or disengage or resign. And close family depend on the relationship plus materiality. And the safeguard which we have discussed, dispose, remove auditor, and independent review. So to quickly recap, financial interest mean money tied to the audit client. They create self-interest threat because your personal gain is linked to the client's success. Audit team members, partners, and their immediate families cannot hold such interest. There are no safeguards. If they do, the interest must be disposed of, or the firm disengaged, or the person resign. Now, close family member like parents, children, or sibling can also create threats depending on the relationship and materiality. And safeguards include, we have discussed, disposal, removal, or independent review. So I think you have understand this topic. Now let's move on to the next one. Thank you for watching.